Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Global Tourism Resilience and Crisis Management Center has forged a partnership with global accommodation management software company AirBnB. Executive Director of the center, Professor Lloyd Waller, says the $250,000 deal is to undertake an analysis of the business of tourism in the Caribbean.
To look at the knowledge, attitudes, and practices of micro-enterprise tourism entrepreneurs across the Caribbean as it relates to their understanding and practices surrounding climate action and climate change, with a view to create some awareness projects and programs to build their capacity to be able to mitigate any challenges that they may face or any challenges that they may cause in their operations.
Professor Wallace says the Caribbean Tourism Organization, CTO, will act as the monitoring and evaluating agency on the project. He says once the pilot phase is complete, the project will be replicated.
In the next 2 years, we will implement this project across the world to try to see how best we can infuse some sense of understanding and awareness of the importance of climate change and climate action, particularly with the micro, small, and medium-sized spaces around the world, because we do understand and appreciate that the larger hotels, whereas the larger hotels have international standards that they have to follow and they're monitored very closely by international organizations and businesses with regard to their carbon footprint, the smaller ones don't have that pressure, but they contribute significantly to the tourism space and to the environment. So we have to ensure that we work with them to build their capacity and raise their resilience.
Now, he was speaking on the final day of the Global Tourism Resilience Conference held at the UWI Regional Headquarters in St. Andrew. To some company news now, Wigton Wind Farm made more profit in its third quarter ended December. Earnings after tax for the 3 months amounted to $113.4 million. That's $77.9 million more than the same period in 2021. Wigton's revenues for the quarter amounted to $421 million. For the corresponding period in 2021, the company made $367.45 million. Now, Wigton Wind Farm says growth for the quarter was attributable to higher production of energy due to better wind conditions. To the currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $154.98. $115.20 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $184.63 is the average selling rate for the pound, while it's costing an average $169.38 for the euro. The JSE index lost 4,529 points today, while the junior market index gained 14 points. Among the winners were Stanley Motor, Jamaica Public Service, JPS, and that's their 7% shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments, General Accident Insurance Company, and JMB Group. The decliners included CAC 2000, Cargo Handlers, Blue Power Group, Kingston Properties, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.